Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Guys, when is Jacinta going to Orania? I still haven't gotten an answer. And now I can't tag her anymore on TikTok because she blocked me, and on Facebook. But the funny thing about Facebook is that she blocked me, and then in a space of 2 days, then she unblocked me, which is very questionable. It's a wondrous. Why, Jacinta? When are you going to Orania, my babes? When are you going to Orania? We are in Orania. Now you're planning a trip to Joburg. When are you going to Orania? When are you going to Orania? And now this movement of yours stopped being about foreigners and what. Now it's about tribes. Because suddenly Tsonga people and Pedi people and Venda people are now Shanganis, and you guys made a whole song about it. And then your defense is, oh, it's just a song. Yeah, so was Chico Twala's song about Mandela coming back. But then that song had to get scrapped and put under the carpet. It's not just a song. There's no such thing as it's just a song. If Chico Twala had to take his We Miss You Mandela song, scrap it, change the lyrics just to get the song out there, then there's no such thing as it's just a song. When are you going to Orania? So if you can just take this video and then tag her or like send it to her, maybe she'll be able to view it, because now she's blocked me. I don't know why she's blocked me. Oh, block Jacinta. Jacinta unblocked because I said she must go to Orania. Jacinta unblocked because I said she must go to Orania and test this theory about foreigners. Jacinta, when are you going to Orania? Uyaninko Orania. When are you going to Orania? When are you going to Orania? This movement is now a tribalistic movement. It's a tribalistic movement. When are you going to Orania? When are you going to Orania? Joburg is fine. The police are there, the metropolitans and what are there. Joburg is sharp. The VIP, Joburg is sharp. Go to Orania. Go to Orania. An African is not a foreigner on African land. An African is not a foreigner on African land. An African is not a foreigner on African land. A non-African is a foreigner on African land. The sentence alone makes more sense. If you don't understand it, Dudula mentality. Dudula mentality, you are colonized, much and much mentality. An African is not a foreigner on African land. A non-African is a foreigner on African land. Someone who is non-African in Africa is non-African and therefore a foreigner on African land. But an African cannot be a foreigner on African land. It doesn't even matter on which corner of Africa you come from and you move to the opposite side. You are still an African. If someone moves from Limpopo and goes to the Northern Cape, do they change their nationality? They're still South African. Same applies. It goes all the way, guys. If I move from Johannesburg and I go to Malawi, I am still in Africa. I am still in Africa. I'm in an African country. Just like if I move from Limpopo and I go to the Northern Cape, I'm in a South African province, which is in Africa. Guys, an African cannot be a foreigner on African land. Labantu ben bazonilahla. Batho bale balatelang bazonilahla. These people will lose you. Batlalelahla. An African is not a foreigner on African land. A non-African is a foreigner on African land. The sentence alone makes sense. If you don't understand the sentence, Aisana, Tutula mentality, you are colonized, much and much mentality. That's it. Because look at the moving from Limpopo to the Northern Cape. I am not Limpopian because I stay in Limpopo, and now when I go to the Northern Cape, I become a Northern Capean. I'm still a Pedi or a Shona or a Tsonga or a Venda. I'm still Venda by tribe, but African by identity. So if an African moves from Limpopo and goes to the Northern Cape, do they change nationality? It doesn't. Does the tribe they belong to change because they are on different land? It doesn't. It does not. I am Swati. If I move from Swaziland and I go to Kenya, I am not Kenyan, I'm still African. And I'm still Swati by tribe and African by nationality. An African cannot be a foreigner on African land. But waba lunaba bazonilahla. Nisazulahleka. An African cannot be a foreigner on African land. You cannot go around trying to convince Africans to treat other Africans like foreigners while you leave non-Africans who are foreigners to roam around African land however they want. It doesn't work. An African cannot be a foreigner on African land. A non-African is a foreigner on African land. And a non-African must be treated as such, as a non-African. One day we will talk about cultural appropriation, where is the Zulu culture, not all of it, but some people, especially Amazulu, you let white people dress up in your Zulu attire and speak your language and do your dances and all of that other stuff, and you clap hands for them. But when someone from Malawi or Kenya or Nigeria wears Zulu attire, you guys feel offended. Got a non-African mocks your culture and it's fine. But an African, what is it when you what's the word? Let me think. Shows pride. When an African shows pride in your culture as a Zulu person, you feel offended. But when a non-African who is a foreigner mocks your culture and your tribe and your culture and your beliefs and all of your traditions, you clap hands for them. An African is not a foreigner on African land. A non-African is a foreigner. A non-African is a foreigner. I don't care. Even if you say my great-grandparents have been staying in South Africa for the past 300, they are foreigners, and you are a foreigner just like them. As a non-African, you are a foreigner. Even if your great-grandparents have been living in Africa for 30,000 years, you are a foreigner. Uli kwere as a non-African.
The lady is back again asking Jacinta the very same question, when are you going to Orania? And unfortunately at this point, she cannot be able to take it because obviously Jacinta has blocked her, obviously because she has been making a lot of noise online, asking her to go and put the very same energy she's putting on Black Africans, on those other, the white people. She must put the very same energy. But guys, truly speaking, I feel like she does have a point on this one. Jacinta must put the very same energy she's putting on Black Africans, on also white people. Because remember, there are so many white foreigners in this country, and since they are targeting everyone, and when it comes to Black people, they are now targeting anyone, whether you are documented or undocumented. As long as you are a foreigner, you go down. You will go down. So I feel like they should also invest the very same energy that side as well. That's why this lady has been asking the very same question that she's asking now, which is just when are you going to Orania? Because that's where these people are. Go there and put in the energy, the very same energy that are putting on our Black African brothers.